hold your defenses ha. Pag mga peke yan, move. Southeast. Papek ako Gagsi. 3, 2, 1, fake. Yo, defend front. Now walk in boys. Walk in. Jabo, papek ako. 3, 2, 1, fake now. Now everybody look northeast. 3, 2, 1 on me. Engage. Try to kill. Nice. Try to kill. And then hold now. They're gonna look soon. Spread. Engaging ah. Looking ah. Yo, defend. Now. We're gonna counter. Amira, pa-fake ako east. 3, 2, 1 now. Everybody look on me. 3, 2, 1. On the low, guys. Try to kill. Now move in pa. Hold. Move in pa. Little bit. Left tanks. Move in. Paano sila sa choke? Yo, they're gonna look soon. Drop audio di sa choke. Defend. Now, walk in boys. West. Ay, east. Walk in east. Pa-fake ako Mira. Fake now. Everybody look dito kay Mira. 3, 2, 1. Saan. Try to kill this depth now. Hold on. Come back south. Spread south. Come back south. Spread. Yan. Spread lang south. Big spread. Left lang.
Okay.
Paano nga ako? Sa harap. Pa-fake ako Gagsby. West, east side. 3, 2, 1. East. Hold lang. Hold here. Punish nga netong datang ito. Bobot eh. Hold lang. Don't follow them. Hold lang dito. Ikot yan. Hold lang dito boys. Pa-clear ng maps ito. Hold lang. Southwest. Sa may south ko. Hold lang south ko. Hold lang. Pa-fake ako Mira. Fake ako deep fake. Wait lang. Nagano sila slow. Nag-index na slow. Wait lang. Pa-fake ako Mira deep. 3, 2, 1. Kabak. Pa-fake ako Gagsi. 3, 2, 1. Ready to defend. Magalok yan soon. Hold lang. Be patient. Hold lang dito.
Looking na.
Looking sila.
Engage.
Alright, nag-engage. Alright. Pa-fake ulit ah. Pa-fake ako Mira. 3, 2, 1. Pa-fake. Everybody look north natin. 3, 2, 1. Sa akin. On me. No. Damage. Nice. Come back now. Hold. Magalok yan. Hold lang. We good. Hold lang, boys. Ang bilis nyo mag-loot ah. Hold lang.
10 seconds engage.
Sige. Ako fake this time. Engage sa camera. Hold lang. Come back south. Dinadrag kayo yan. Hold lang. Don't go too deep. We chill. Hold lang, boys. Oh, come back south lang. Hold dito. Spread dito. Hold lang. May inip din yan. Hold lang. We hold. We chill. Hold lang. Come back a little bit southwest. Tayo mag-pull. Come back a little bit southwest. Left tank slowly moving lang. Left tank. Hold lang, boys. Di gonna look soon. Hold lang.
Ang ina, nakamute pala ako. What the fuck?
Hold lang. Engage
sila.
Ruby.
Naman.
Sige lang. Hold lang, boys. Mira, wait lang. Nag-slow pa siya. Alright. Move in slowly. No, nagra-wrap around sila. Come back south. A little bit, yan. Hold lang dito.
Rubix
tank
ah, i-engage ang kanan.
Hold lang. Nag-clear ka, Rubix. Yeah, safe ka naman. Yo. Hold lang, boys. We chill. Hold lang. Pa-fake ako Mira deep. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, yung obvious. Hold lang, hold lang, hold lang, hold lang.
Engaging,
Okay,
engaging,
okay,
engaging.
defend front. Now walk in slowly, Try to catch. Boss Gagsi, pakatch ako, Boss Gagsi.
Dito na
Wait
kasama
lang.
kan.
Yeah, sige lang.
Pressure,
Pakatch ako,
pressure.
pressure. Sige lang, hold lang. Alright, look sa akin on the crown. 3, 2, 1, on me. No. Try to kill this. And then come back south. Nagapandit tayo, come back south. Nagapandit tayo, come back. Ready defend. Padrop Judy sa ano. Padrop Judy sa choke. Pahilang front. Now, pahilang front. Hold here. Move in slowly now. Slowly lang.
3 seconds.
Slowly lang. And then
Ready.
spread sa may southwest, southeast side. Spread southeast side. Tangina ang ano nila. Takbo eh. Hold lang dito, boys. We good pa din. Hold lang. Move a little bit east, top east. Nice. We got good position here. Hold lang. Yo, may pana dyan. Hold lang. Now we hold here now. Spread kayo. D-tanks, move west D-tanks. Looking sila. Move west D-tanks ko. Pads, nasan yung mga pads ko dyan? Walang mga pads. Ready wait lang. Fake. Nice, fake. Pa-fake ako mira. 3, 2, 1, fake now. Alright, nagigit. Alright, everybody walk west now. Pahila ko front. Walk now west. Try to catch west now. Left lang, catch ako west. Now we're gonna look inside me. 3, 2, 1. Ito itong caller. Try to kill. Now spread. Mag-engage yan soon. Hold lang. Spread lang, boys. Looking, defend now. Defend. Nice defend. Now, Mira. Buhay ka pa?
I'm dead.
Agagsip, diyan ka pa?
May 5 seconds pa ako sa...
Sige lang.
Iwari
Sige
na
lang,
kanan.
Sige lang. Alright. Ako mag-fake this time. Ako mag-fake. Wait. Faking ako ah. Fake ako. Fake to. Obvious, putang ina, ang pangit. And hold there, west. Huwag kayo masyadong umabol. Come back west. Hold lang. Come back west.
Engage yung mga nasa list ng ano.
Come back west tayo. West tayo. Boys, walk west. Uy, ang crown dito, on the ping. Walk west lang. Hold lang. Fake. Walk lang. Hold lang. Walk west. A little bit west lang, boys. West lang. We good. Hold lang here. Party to buhay pa ba? May D-tanks pa ba ako?
Full party. Meron ka, may D-tanks ka, marami kang D-tanks.
D-tanks ko, go up front. Ba't walang pads dyan? Yo, wala ko pads. Wala ko heavy mace. Wala ko maces dyan. Yo, pads ko. Hold lang. Don't walk in. Spread lang. Hold lang, boys. Niikot lang tayo na ito eh. Sige, follow me. Fast. West side, east side.
Pag nag-engage sila, keep mo yung pressure. Tapos
Sige.
i-sustain mo yung damage na lang nila.
Okay. Sige lang. Walk east. Hold lang. And then hold dito. Hold tayo dito sa may roads. Slowly. Nice. Dito, pwede na to. Now, D-tanks ko up front. Slowly.
Ingat sa show.
Pangit ng choke. Yo, move a little bit northeast side tayo. Northeast side.
Rubik's engage ka niya na.
Dito tayo sa may road. Pull na. Northeast side. Hold here now. We hold here now. Hold now. D-tanks ko up front. Ito na, lulok to. Alright. Hold lang. D-tanks, more up front. D-tanks, more up front.
Okay.
More up front. Hold lang. Don't follow. Pag pinupull kayo, don't follow. Hala, ayan nyo lang.
Push mo, Kiju, push mo.
Push tayo.
Engage yan sige ba?
Sige, push tayo, boys. Push tayo. Push tayo. Papik ako, guys. Inside. 3. Sige lang.
Nakaka
Wait, nanap pa. Sige, push in. Walk in na. Careful sa choke. Walk in na. Walk in.
Engage na natin.
Okay, catch now. Ditang catch now. Pakatch. Nabigay engage yan dito sa akin.
Sustain.
Now walk in tayo, boys. Walk in tayo. Everybody look kay Gags, sa ano. Layo ni Gags. Sige lang, hold lang. Full. Walk in lang. May engage ka, Gags, May engage ka, Gags. Low ka.
Hindi, nasa
Ito tong mga low. Yo, pressure.
Keep pressure.
Engaging.
Engage
Walk
na.
engage siya. Nice. We walk in now. We're gonna catch. Walk in now. We're gonna engage.
Keep pressure, boys.
On the ground.
Sa D-tanks.
Two,
Patayin
one,
niyo
side.
sila.
On the ground. Patayin niyo yung tanks. Patayin niyo yung D-tanks. Poke niyo lang i-poke.
Sa
Low na,
D-tanks.
poke na yung
Well
D-tanks.
walking.
Poke na yung D-tanks, ha. Low na yung D-tanks, boys. Come. Hold down. Spread, ha. Magalok yan.
Ready
Magalok yan.
Ready sustain.
Ready, go pa. Ready for the hit, ha. Sige lang. Tingnan namin. Come walk. South pa. Patayin yung D-tank na yan. Patayin na. Come south pa, boys.
Kilipton dito. Ano to, guys? So, locus, oh. Ano yan?
Ayan.
Okay, pretty.
Poke nyo lang. Ready defend, ha. Mag-engage to soon. Ito. Sige, poke nyo lang na
Pressure, keep the pressure.
Sige, mamamatay na to.
Kill the locus, boys. Using the brace lang.
Patayin yung locus.
Keep the pressure. Wala naman na yun, no? Good job.
Na, engage. No. Walk in now. Pakatch ako dito. Na, everybody on the ground. 3, 2, 1, on the ground. Ground lang. Sige, walk in lang. Catch lang.
Pressure. Kill the D-tanks, boys. Kill the D-tanks. Iniiwan nila, oh.
Catch lang, boys. Sige lang. Sige. Ready to soak ulit. Catch lang, boys. Come on, try to catch. Sige lang.
South lang.
Walk lang, south now. Pakatch ako, cleanses sa front. Everybody. Madagati. 3, 2, 1, on the ground. Kill. Nice.
Good job.
Walk na.
Choke to. Kalma.
Walk lang. Yo. Come back. South. Ay, northwest.
Sige. Binigay nila.
Sige. Pasok, boys.
Walk through.
Pasok. Dali, pasok lang. Nasaan na ba? Ano, tumatakbo na to?
Ay, ito, boys. Catch them. Kill them all.
Catch lang. Sige lang. Boot side. Sige. Try to catch. Kill this. Nice,
Kill everyone.
Sige lang.
Good job.
Walk in pa, boys. Sige pa. Catch natin lahat, boys. Mga mount up kayo. Mount up kayo. Ano, wala na? Ano to? Wala na? Low? Wipe na? Ano? Tumatakbo lang?
Yeah, they GG, bro.
Ano yun?
Tapos na. Ganun lang yung play dun. Kapag mas malaki kayo.
Yo,
Wala lang
mount up na.
sinabi.
Yo, mount up. Ano? Pusit, akala ko naman. Hello?
Yun na yun, Kijo. Tapos na.
Putang ina.
Hindi sila makahinga kasi nga roll comp tayo.
Parang ano, boss? Parang inuman tapos di nagpaalam umuwi.
Oo, ganun. Kasi nakita mo naiwan yung mga ditang sila, di ba? Ganun lang dapat yun.
Ano pa dito?
Huwag mo sila papahingayin.
Ha?
Kaya mo sila mag-engage sa D-tanks